Our project is Smart Canteen System. Our team members are Mohammad Afroz, Nandakishwar and myself, Kamachi Kumaran, guided by K. Muthulakshmi ma'am. These are the contents of our project. The problem statement is there exists a problem in supply of food to the students. The student goes to the canteen and orders for the food. This is a regular process, but the person who cooks do not know the exact count of the food, so that there may exist a shortage or wastage of food. Sometimes the student forget to bring the cash, or he or she may not able to buy the food. So to overcome this problem, our team come up with the idea of cashless purchase. This is abstract of our project. This is the objective of our project: to develop a mobile application for ordering the food in the canteen to avoid the wastage of foods, for maintaining the time management. This is our system diagram. In this, admin can recharge the student account. The user can also log in to the Smart Canteen system by the username and password. For the direct user, the bill can be generated after the purchase of the food. For ordered student, the QR code will be generated, then the food will be received. The updates of the menu which can be done by the canteen admin. This is our simple project diagram.
And here is the demo on our project. This is our student login page. Here the student needs to provide his roll number and password to enter into the application. So I enter my roll number and my password to enter this application, and it directs me to the menu page. Here morning menu, afternoon menu I look, and I go with the afternoon. So these are the menus available for today's lunch: the curd rice, the paratha, everyone. Here I enter my roll number and I select my department, and then I select the curd rice and tomato rice for my lunch, and I generate my bill. And this is the bill format. The bill provides my roll number, my department, the current date, and the bill number, and per price of each food. And the QR code is generated, which I need to provide to the food counter at the time of my purchase. Student, those who order their food through the mobile application, they can cancel their food before the time limit. So it's all simple. They need to enter the cancel order, click the cancel order button, and there they need to provide their roll number, department, bill number, and just they need to submit. So here I enter my roll number, my department, and my bill number is 163, and I submit it. The order will be cancelled and my amount will be refunded within today.
Admin recharge module. We must enter the username for the admin and password. Then after entering the username and password, submit button click. Then the user can either scan or enter the ID. If the valid ID is entered, then the user's roll number and name and balance will be displayed. Then the user can enter the ID, then enter the amount of the current recharge. If then OK button is pressed, the amount will be added to the balance.
This is our admin page. The admin has login with the different username and password. The admin this is a canteen admin's login password. The canteen admin enters into his account. So this is his he has list of orders. So these are the orders of that day, the total number of orders with the student roll number and what on their menu. And when he needs to add a new product to the menu, he just needs to enter the product name with product price and upload the image. So here I'll enter the product name as chapati. The price is 25 rupees, and I chose the image from the data where it is saved. So after choosing that, I just need to click the submit button, which will be directly updated in the menu. And to check he can also check the availability of the food. All the menu will be available here. He can change the availability of the food here and can update the menu. This is a menu page with the images available. So at this time the curd rice is not available, so I will make it as not available and update the page. And after refreshing the menu, there it will be not here, so the student will not be able to select this food. And then the cancelled orders, the list of cancelled orders cancelled by the students. So the admin needs to just enter the roll number, bill number. So here he enters the bill number which I entered. It's 163. And he deletes the order. The data has been deleted, so it's successful. And then I need to check whether it is deleted from the orders list. So here is the orders list. I check for my 163, so it's not available here. Yeah, after 162, it's 164, the bill number. So my order has been deleted. So after this, these are all the roles of the. So that is all our project, and thank you.